Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Today I'm going to be testing out new curly hair products from Target. I got the Jozi curls line and I got pretty much everything they have except for the conditioner. I completely forgot about that. These products were only $5 each, which is very affordable. Like, wow. So I really hope that they are good, because if they are good and if they curl my hair very well, then that's amazing. That's a win-win. My curls are not where I would want them to be right now. Like, I wish my hair was even more curly. I am working on that. I'm working on like trying to keep my hair healthier, because during Vlogmas and even before that I was putting so much heat on my hair, so my curls did kind of like die a little bit. But they are coming back to life, so I'm happy about that. What I like about these products so far is that they are paraben free, cruelty free, vegan, super interesting, and only $5. Like, I used this oil last night. I left it on my hair and this actually left my hair super shiny and very soft. So far I really like the oil. The ingredients seem very natural and very good as well. So this has raw shea butter and marula oil, which I love. You can add this on wet hair, dry hair, so I'm going to be adding a little bit of this oil maybe at the end. We'll see how my curls look, but so far this is a big thumbs up for me. I really did like this oil as a first impressions. So I have mixed feelings about this shampoo. I feel like this shampoo is like very liquidy. It's not very thick. I like a very thick consistency. This one is just more like, ooh, it's very like watery. I don't know if you can see that, but you see that dripping down. I don't like that. I like it to be very thick. So let me compare this one to my Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. I love this shampoo. It's so thick and I love that. And a little bit goes such a long way with this shampoo. But with the Jozi curls, I just felt like I had to put so much to like really get a nice cleanse. So this one's free from sulfates as well and parabens. It has marula oil and raw shea butter, which are like very moisturizing for your hair. So like most of these products are like super moisturizing for the curls. So this one is like not my favorite shampoo that I have, but it's not bad. So now let's get into styling. So I thought I got the conditioner and I guess I didn't. I guess I got confused with these other products that I got. So these products right here are to style your hair. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to start with the Jozi Curls Style Curl Enhancing Spray. So this one right here. So basically I'm just going to spray this all over my hair. This is a leave-in conditioner. All of the products smell really good. This one smells amazing. So I'm going to use the pudding. What is this? Okay. So that's interesting. Oh my god. Don't tell me that this is going to fall off. Oh. What is this? You know, I've never tried anything like this for my curls. But we're going to try it. Smells really good. Yeah, I'm just gonna add this to my hair. Hopefully this is like very hydrating. It feels super hydrating. Why is it so thick like that? Oh my god, that's so interesting. It kind of feels like slime. That's so interesting. So I'm gonna take another small amount and just kind of add it to my hair. Now we're gonna move on to the gel. It's like not filled all the way. Like, it looks like if it's used. You guys know what I mean? That's interesting. But let's try this. So I'm gonna put a little bit of gel in my hair. Just kind of spreading it everywhere. I'm gonna do the same to the top. And then I'm gonna use a Denman brush to style it. First I'm gonna take the brush and I'm just gonna flip it at the end like this and try to scrunch it the most that I can. This side of my hair is a lot less curly than the other side, so you guys will definitely notice that. So yeah, I'm just scrunching it a lot. And I'm just adding a little bit more of gel as I go, especially like in the roots. I mean, it doesn't look bad so far. This side right here is just not, it's not that curly. But I'm gonna try my best to just scrunch it, bring the curls back to life. add a little bit more of gel as I go. And so let's see what we can do. Okay guys, I'll be back once everything is like scrunched and ready to diffuse. Alright guys, so I scrunched all my hair and it looks like if it's actually going to curl. So I'm excited to see the final look. But yeah, both sides are looking actually pretty nice so far. So I'm gonna diffuse my hair and I'll be back with the final look. Alright guys, so my hair is like pretty dry and it actually looks pretty curly. I'm like very surprised. Like my hair does not curl that much. So my hair is a little bit like crunchy, and I mean I kind of expected that because I put so much gel, but I'm just gonna like loosen up the curls just a little bit just to even give it more volume. These curtain bangs, they are not the best with curly hair. I feel like I don't even know what to do with them. I usually just put them back because, ooh, this side is starting to look a lot better already. But yeah, these curtain bangs are like, I don't know, I have mixed feelings about them. I love them when they are straight, but when they are curly, they are not that great. Like I always end up like putting them back somehow. Yeah, I am actually really liking these products. I'm gonna put a little bit of this oil and let's see what that does. Just a little bit. It was not a little bit, but I'm just gonna kind of go like this first. This smells so good. I feel like I got some pretty defined curls even on this side. This is not my curly side, so even this side looks pretty curly. Like I'm so impressed. What is happening? Wow, that oil just made my hair super soft. So yeah, this is what my hair looks like. I'm so happy because I actually really like it. I feel hopeful. I feel like my curls can come back to life. I feel super positive. I feel very excited. Like even this side. So some of the products that I like the most from this line was definitely the oil. I really like the oil. I feel like on dry hair it feels amazing. You can leave it overnight as a treatment. Even after you style your hair, you can add a little bit of this for more shine so that your curls can be even softer as well. So yeah, for $5, this is amazing. It has really good ingredients, very hydrating ingredients, and it really does feel amazing on my hair. I loved the oil. The shampoo, I wasn't like crazy about it, but it's not bad. I feel like the more I use it, maybe the more I'll like it, but I do have other shampoo and conditioners that I like more, but this one's not bad also for $5. The curl enhancing spray, I feel like was the key to enhancing my curls, because when I tell you that my hair does not curl that much, it really does not curl that much. And I feel like with these products my hair curled so much more than like with other products that are even more expensive. I mean, maybe my hair is just more healthy honestly, and I just got a haircut. I also really liked the gel, even though it didn't really bring much in here, but it was just $5, so it's not bad. Everything is just so affordable. I'm like so surprised at how affordable this is, and like the ingredients that are in this, like no parabens, no sulfates. It's like very good for your hair. So far I like it a lot. This one is very strange honestly. I mean, I kind of feel weird using this, but it worked, and I don't know if it's supposed to look like that, but just know that this can get very messy. I don't know, I don't love the texture of this. It's kind of weird. It's too gooey. It feels like slime. I didn't love it. Well, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this line. This is a new curly hair line that is available at Target. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it down below. And let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see more curly hair videos, if you guys want me to try out more curly hair products, like maybe other curly hair lines, you know. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to do that. And yeah, that is it for today's video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.